The procedure is unique because even the witnesses are unique. They are turncoats. Right now they are actually in the power or possession of the petitioner.
And we can't even be sure that they are around tomorrow for this. What we do.
I think even the record would flow actually perfectly well.
And there is nothing illegal.
And there is nothing about opening the case for. We just cross-examine witnesses. And it is only in respect of the two. My Lord, I've also been advised that it would also resolve issue number 1.
But why I wanted to. What is the date to them?
There's 14.
14.
Maybe I'm not in the ID. Just standing over and naagiwumuza.
Tokiraga nti but we are voting, at least voters can. The two things. Osooka kulaba ID. Osooka kulaba ID. Tomukozesa sample tonalaba ID. But olaba ID oba oyitanga sample yaki. Niye agikubuulira. Olaba n'omulaba n'omugamba eriwe. Tomuwa byasampa ajja kusayininga byayagala.
Ate tetumwetanga.
Baba talina ID. Kitegeeza teyavooti. Because your president has an ID.
That's why I'm saying we must insist on the ID. What Ageesigika to stand over the Nigerian.
Then maybe, my Lord, let them come last. Such that when we immediately we finish, we present them. Yes.
My Lord, I think the way I have prepared, this is my case. This is the case for the petitioner. The respondent doesn't tell me how I conduct my case. I have given them an order of how I'm going to present the witnesses today. And I'm starting with Maumbe, Chamber, onwards. I've given them all the names in the order. This is my case. So this is how I present this, how I'm going to present them. I am starting with Maumbe, Chamber, the Tankos, and then we move. It's my case. I'm presenting my witnesses.
My Lord, most obliged, Alex Luganda for the record. My Lord, we've been doing these election petitions for quite a while. And I'm also surprised that the person bringing the witnesses wants to dictate the order in which we are cross-examining. Because as senior counsel alluded to court, we have divided these witnesses amongst the lawyers, guided by how we were flowing with the petitioner, Wanjala Simon. And that's why court had ordered that all the witnesses must be present.
So my Lord, just as he has said that all witnesses must be present, equally, they should be prepared to cross-examine any witness, just as he has said. With whoever I bring, they should be ready to cross-examine. So my Lord, I have Maumbe ready. He is my witness. I have a theory that I'm driving my case. And it is my case now. When
Yes, we are the ones.
Shawaketa.
Wanjala, my lord.
My lord, you give me about 5 minutes and I leave one day because he was not here at the court now.
Okay, okay.
But my lord,
Who is here?
Who is here?
Who is here?
the one who is here now is Nambi. Now. That is how I had prepared them. The one who is here now is Nambi.
They were summoned.
My lord, the court order was that all witnesses should be presented in these 2 days. Secondly, our colleagues, when they filed affidavits, the calling for examination is now our request, not your case. Your case was presented when you presented your evidence. So it's our strategy as well and theory to choose who we go with first. So it is now our case to call who we call.
So Wanjala.
Wanjala, my lord.
Wanjala.
My lord, you
5 minutes.
start our 5 minutes.
Most obliged.
Agenda kukuseka milimu today. Awo olaba nga bwakayana kuli kanti sisobola mu process examination. Awo batanko kuno bale tete.
Mubale tencha tobalina muyisa.
Balina.
Mubale tencha. Bakolemba. Mubale tencha.
Walabi.